lovers, I hope that you're doing so well today. If you're new here, my name is Molly and welcome to my little slice of pie here on the internet. I'm glad you're here and I hope that you're doing well. So for today's video, I do have a Liberex review on 2 of their products. They were so kind to reach out to me and ask me to do a review video for them, and I was so happy to go ahead and collaborate with them. So thank you for reaching out to me. I really appreciate it, and let's just get into the review. So I was able to pick out 2 products to review for this video, and I picked out their DIY and LED water flosser as well as their cleansing facial brush. Starting off with the water flosser, I was so excited honestly to get one out, which I feel like that sounds like such an adult thing to say. I was excited to get a water flosser, but I really was because I used to have braces, and you all know if you've had braces before that it can be kind of a pain to floss normally because you have to use like the little threader and get in between all the brackets and everything and the wires. But now with having my braces off, I do have a permanent retainer and I still need to floss the same way I would have when I had braces. Having a water flosser is a nice added extra step to my oral health routine and hygiene routine because it's able to get little pieces out that a normal flossing tool wouldn't, at least from what I've experienced. I think it also helps loosen up anything that might be in there, especially after brushing. Sometimes brushing can get things out, but I think the water flosser just helps kind of flush anything out, and it makes my mouth feel a lot cleaner than it would have if I didn't add that to my routine, if that makes sense. What's really cool about this too is I was on the market for one and I was able to try this one out instead, which is really awesome. I actually realized it's a lot different from ones I've seen on the market. A lot of them are usually a lot larger, they take up more counter space, and they have to be plugged into the wall to work. But this one's actually rechargeable and it has several different interchangeable heads that you can use, and you can bring it with you when you travel because it comes with a little travel pouch and you can remove all the little heads, stuff them into a little pocket that's with inside the little bag, and put the charger in there too, and then stick the rest of the water flosser, tie it up, and you can either use that for storage or you can use it when you're traveling. And since you all know I do love to travel, being able to travel with it is definitely a game changer. For the flosser itself, in my personal opinion, I do like that there are different settings that you can use when, like the different streams that it has. So when you turn it on, there's like a little screen that lights up and it says hello to you, which is super cute. And then you can go ahead and press the other button and change the stream strength. And I like that because I think depending on maybe what the head you put on to the water flosser, it can help get into different parts of your teeth. Personally, I don't think that a water flosser can totally take over normal flossing altogether, but I do think it does help, especially if you do have braces or a retainer like me. To use it, there is a little cartridge that holds the water at the bottom and you can just twist that off. It's not like an actual twist, but I just kind of like twist it like that and it comes out, and I fill it up with just tap water. I know some people say to use filtered water, but I just use tap. It's fine. I have well water, so I feel like it's safe, I guess, kind of. Maybe some people are like, no it's not, but I just use tap water. And then you can also, there's like a little tab that you can lift up and fill it up that way as well. Then you just turn on the on button, you change the settings if you want to, and then to change out the head, there's a little button on the top. You just press that down and it will twist right off and you can snap in another one. Pretty easy to use. I think it is definitely user friendly. What's also great is since it is rechargeable, it comes with a cord. The only thing it doesn't come with though is an actual like charging cube, and I think most of us probably do already have those lying around our house anyways, but mine actually did come charged. I'm assuming if mine came charged, yours probably will too. Overall, I think this is a great tool, especially since I am definitely really into oral hygiene because I have been dealing with teeth stuff my whole life. It's been cool. It definitely changes up the routine. Moving on to the facial cleansing brush. This one is also a little different from ones I've seen. It's also rechargeable. It has its own little rechargeable tray, and it comes with the cord that you can plug in to any USB adaptable plug-in, and then you can plug that into the wall and charge it. It comes with 3 different heads, so one is usually already on there. That's at least how mine came, and then there's 2 others that you can use. One of them is more of like a silicone feel and it's a little bit shorter, and 2 of them are bristles, but they're super soft to the touch. I was extremely surprised. The reason I was surprised though with how the brushes felt was because I've had facial cleansing brushes like that in the past and the bristles were so rough on my skin, and these feel so nice. It also has 3 settings, so the speeds can go up to pretty high in my opinion. It does vibrate, so the first one is like a slower vibration, the second one is a little bit faster, and the third one is the fastest, and you just press the power button to go through all the settings. If you wanted to take off one of the heads, you just pull it off and then snap the other one back into place. What's also nice is it does have a little cover, so with vents in it, so if you do wash it off in the sink after using it, wash the rest of the soap or makeup off of it, then you can snap that in and then put the lid on top, set it on the rechargeable station, or just like set it out on the counter, and then it will be able to dry out the brush without it being all steamy and gross on the inside if it didn't have the vent holes. This one doesn't come with a travel bag, but I think it would just be easy to throw into any bag if you want to travel with it, because it is so small. It's like a little tiny egg and it's really cute. Okay, so that is my review of these two products by Liberex official. I'm really appreciative of them reaching out to me. Thank you guys so much at your marketing team for reaching out to me. I do really appreciate it, and I overall really like these products. They have exceeded my expectations, and I didn't even know what to expect honestly going into it. I'm always very open-minded. They're just higher quality, they're worth the money, they work great. I like that they're rechargeable, so you're not using up batteries. You can also bring them with you traveling because they're compact. They're easy to store away in storage if you're maybe in college and you live with people. You can put it away so it's not taking up counter space. It's just a great way to add a little extra step to your self-care routine. What's also really cool about both of these products is you can get a 12-month warranty by registering them online. It comes with a little card in each of their packages, and you can go ahead and do that if you want a warranty on these products. I'll leave below a link to their website as well as links to the products that I have, and if you're interested in them, you can definitely visit that. Thank you again to Liberex for reaching out to me. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, shine bright. Bye!